Today I'm gonna help you find the fuse box on Chevy Impala from 2006 to 2013. It's on the passenger side. You can see right here on the seat by the door. You can see a little panel right here. To open is very easy because there's a very soft panel, so you gotta be careful if it don't crack. You just pull inside and open it up, remove it. And behind the cap, the panel has all the information on the fuses you needed to check. Has the names for each place and the power for each fuse. You can see right here all the fuses located right there. Okay, to close is very easy. Attach those two here first and pull back. That's it, it's closed. And have another box of fuse by the engine on the same side, in the passenger side. When you look at the engine, it's going to be on your left side right here. It has two clips to open, one under this bar right here, another one will be on opposite side right here. I don't know if you can see it, dark. I can't open mine already because you usually need two hands to do so. So remove the cup, the panel. You can see right there all the relays and fuses. And right here behind the cover, you're gonna see the name for each fuse and relay, what the locations are. Okay, to close is very easy. Just have to put in the right place here and click. All right, so thank you for watching. Have a great day.